This news, we have a rainy end to the work week ahead. It's going to be messy out there.
Starts with thunderstorms tonight. And Llarisa, I left my umbrella in the car, so we got to get moving here. I got 15 minutes to get out of here.
Larisa's going to protect you. She'll hold her coat.
Lucky for all of us.
We don't need an umbrella right now because we're not tracking any rain. It is humid though, so that's what you'll need protection. That hair, Jim. I hope you have the hairspray. This is what we have behind us going on. We have this cold front that's draped across the interior northeast. It's what's going to head our way and bring us a chance for severe weather as well as flooding rains as we head towards the afternoon and evening. We're going to talk timing in a moment, but take a look at ahead of it. The air is just thick. We are talking dew point temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s from the Poconos all the way down to the Jersey Shore. It is quite steamy outside, and as I mentioned, we are tracking just that humidity at an all-time high. Temperatures are topping out right now, 71 degrees, but notice how we haven't had too much sunshine. The clouds have been thick and pretty stubborn to clear, and I told you if we saw more sun, those storms could be more intense. That hasn't been the case here in the city, but we still have a few more hours left behind between now and the start of those storms that will be approaching the region by 4 o'clock today. Temperatures elsewhere across the area, we're talking mid to upper 70s further south, 71 here in Philly, 66 out in Allentown. It's currently 70, still overcast in Trenton, the Poconos sitting at 61, 71 in Reading, also looking at overcast conditions as well. As far as our severe weather threats are concerned, leading the board, strong winds as well as heavy rain. Heavy rain will be leading to some flooding, especially if you live in poor drainage areas. So now is the time to prepare in advance before those storms get here later today. Small hail is also a possibility, and that tornado risk is low. And I know a lot of people get freaked out when we talk tornado risk, but here's a look at the map. Right now, about a 2% risk, but this is certainly not a risk you want to gamble with. So once again, stay prepared, be weather aware, as we are going to be tracking these feisty and strong storms later on today. Let's talk timing, shall we? 4:45 shows that line of storms already approaching our western neighborhoods, and denoted by those brighter returns, we're tracking downpours by that time. As we get closer to 6:15, now that line is right over I-95. And pay close attention. Chester County back towards Newcastle County, Wilmington, they're going to see pretty heavy rain. So if I had to pick a spot where we would see the flooding, it'd be in those two areas of concern. 9:30 p.m. we are still dealing with the rounds of rain over the region, and then this system finally begins to push away. But Friday, we're still not quite out of the woods. Now, we're still going to be tracking a marginal risk for strong to severe storms, especially south of the city. But Friday is going to be one of those days where we still have to remain weather aware. And then we turn up the heat. Notice how we may be tracking the first heat wave of the summer season with temperatures in the 90s by Sunday.